To show current weather condition and clock on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra home screen, you have to add the weather and clock widget to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area and then tap widget at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen to find weather, or you can quickly find the widget by tapping its name on the search bar. Tap weather, scroll down the screen. Now tap and hold the weather and clock widget and then drag it to the desired area on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. Tap anywhere outside the widget. As you can see, now the weather and clock widget has been added to your home screen. With this widget, you can easily know the date and time and also the update of your real-time local weather information right from your home screen, such as current temperature and weather condition like sunny, cloudy, rainy, or else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.